This year at SEMA, Celette brought an impressive lineup of new products that line up perfectly with where the collision repair industry is heading. First up were the new truck anchoring clamps. What stood out here was the versatility. With adjustable heads and jaws on a solid static base, these clamps give you the flexibility to secure everything from mid-size pickups to full-frame heavy-duty trucks. And with a 15,000-pound rating, these aren't light-duty accessories. They're built for real structural correction where stability is everything. Celette also showed their new anchoring and holding system for the X-Track bench. The dual system setup lets you run either chameleon anchoring points or traditional pinch weld clamps, depending on the job. For shops working across unibody, full-frame, EV platforms, and everything in between, that flexibility can really speed up the repair process and reduce setup headaches. And saving the biggest highlight for last, the Roan Double XL. This bench got a lot of attention on the floor, and for good reason. Over 23 feet long, roughly 7 meters, designed specifically for the modern truck market. It supports full Celette jig systems, chameleon components, and pinch weld clamping. Whether it's daily driver pickups or heavy-duty work trucks, the Roan Double XL is built to handle it. And with a lift capacity of 15,000 pounds, the bench is rock solid. Celette's 2025 lineup made an impression, and for shops keeping an eye on the future, these systems are worth a closer look. For more information, visit Celette.com.